So today I'll be showing you how to make this very buttery, delicious, tasty, soft coconut bread. You've not had coconut bread this good. So the first thing you want to do is just to remove the skin of the coconut. That's if you don't have desiccated coconut. So if you have desiccated coconut, that's what we are using to make this recipe. You can skip this, but if you want to make yours at home, so just follow this simple step to make yours. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new videos. So after removing the skin, the next thing to do is to chop them into tiny pieces. So add that into your blender, add in water, and the next thing you're going to do is just to blend this until it is smooth. So we're going to make use of the water that's our coconut milk extracted from this. So do not add too much water, so you don't want this to be too diluted. So just add little water and blend until it is smooth. So the next thing you're going to do is to pour the mixture into a mesh bag or a cheesecloth to drain out the milk. So the next thing we want to do is to take the chaff that we squeezed out earlier and spread it evenly on an oven pan. This is what becomes desiccated coconuts. Place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not use high heat or it will burn. A low temperature allows it to dry gently. I'm just going to allow this to dry in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. But one thing you want to do is just to be stirring this occasionally. So as that is drying, the next thing we're going to do is to make our bread dough. In a mixing bowl, pour in some warm coconut milk. Just heat it slightly. You should be able to dip your fingers in it without feeling too hot. Otherwise, it will kill the yeast. Next, add honey and egg and yeast. Do check the description box for the ingredient list and measurements. Next thing you want to do is to add in some vegetable oil. Paris cafes to ocean views, each plate a vibe. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some all-purpose flour or bread flour if you can find, and then mix up everything together until this is well combined. The next step is to knead the dough. So I'm using my standing mixer to knead my dough until this is well kneaded. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes to properly knead the dough. Of joy in every... So once your dough is well kneaded, next thing you're going to do is just to form this into a round ball. So your dough is well kneaded when you poke on it and it bounces back gently, so you know that your dough is well kneaded. So do not be tempted to add flour. If your dough is sticky, this will form together. So just form this into a round ball.
Just right, feels like home. Every bite.
Next, drizzle a little oil into your bowl to prevent the dough from sticking. Slightly coat the top of the dough with oil as well. Then cover it up and place in the warm dark spots. Let it rest for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size.
Zest, every little dish dressed in its best. Saffron rice, creamy risotto, balsamic glaze on avocado, curry blends, a ginger kiss, flavors dancing.
So our coconut is properly dried now. You can see it didn't burn at all. The color is so bright and beautiful. That's why we removed the brown skin area to give this nice white finish. So this is what is called desiccated coconut. You can easily make this at home. As you can see, you can also turn this into coconut flour by simply grinding it until smooth, and you will have coconut flour. So in this video, I've actually shown you 3 things. First, how to make desiccated coconut, and also how to make coconut flour. And of course, we are getting to the part on how to make delicious coconut bread. So the next thing you want to do is to mix some coconut milk, some honey, butter, and desiccated coconut. Enjoying this video so far, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment below. I would so love to hear from you, so please do comment below. And I want to say a very special thank you to my returning viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you for your like, thank you for your comments, thank you for all that you do. Thank you so much.
Oh baby, life's just seasoned right.
So our bread dough has doubled in size. You can see it's so beautiful. So the next thing you want to do is just want to deflate this to remove excess air bubbles.
Vanilla skies and dinner time. A touch of joy in every bite. Oh baby, life's just seasoned right.
Remove from the bowl and then form this into a perfect round ball. If you love bread making and you've enjoyed this video this far, you will definitely love my other bread recipes. I have put them all together in a playlist, and you'll find the link in the description box below. Go check it out and learn how to make different types of bread. Next, slightly flour your kneading surface and roll out the dough into a rectangle or square shape.
Season just right, feels like home. Every bite takes me where I roam. White plates, gold forks, steam in the air. Fresh rosemary, love in the flare. Pasta swirls and lemon zest. Every little dish dressed in its best. Saffron rice, creamy risotto. Balsamic glaze on avocado. Curry blends, a ginger kiss. Flavors dancing, can't resist. Table lit, candlelight slow. Stories rise in the heat below. From truffle oil to honey glaze, it's a world of taste I crave. Season just right, it's more than food. It's how I feel, it's my kind of mood. From Paris cafes to ocean views, each plate a vibe, each spice a muse.
Now spread the butter filling we prepared earlier onto one side of the dough, leaving the other side plain. First, fold the side without filling over, then fold the filled side to meet. Finally, cut the dough into 8 pieces. So watch the video closely to see what I'm talking about. So this will just give you a clearer understanding of the steps I just explained.
Of joy in every bite. Oh baby, life comes around.
The next thing you want to do is to take each piece of dough, stretch it out slightly, then twist it just like you see in this video. This twist will give the bread its fine, beautiful shape. Arrange each piece close together in your baking pan.
Baby, I was blind and I couldn't see. Angel, you were special to me. You bring me the light and show me how to love. I confess today I'm so in love. I don't depend my life on colors, black or white, fat or slim, love more than beautiful.
Next, cover the pan and let the dough rest until it doubles in size. Dough has doubled in size. The next step is to prepare an egg wash. In a bowl, whisk 1 egg and add little coconut milk. Brush this mixture over the dough, then bake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes.
Step by step, I've come to know she's more than a woman. I don't depend my life on colors, black or white.
You have it, our delicious buttery coconut bread is ready. I'll see you on the other flip side.